I've seen a lot of exchange events, but the one happening right now on OKX is what I call the alpha for 2026. Imagine trading as you normally do, but suddenly waking up to an iPhone 17 Pro or thousands in USDT bonuses. That's exactly what we are breaking down today. This isn't just a giveaway, it's a volume-based competition with a total pool of $500,000. The top-tier rewards go up to 60,000 USDT per user. Whether you are a whale or a shrimp, there are vouchers waiting for you. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, free crypto radar, isn't chasing volume risky? It can be, if you gamble. But we play smart. I've written a specific strategy guide on my blog about melting exchange bonuses. It teaches you how to hedge your positions, so you can minimize asset volatility risk and safely accumulate volume without exposing yourself to massive market swings. Read that guide first. The link is below. Ready to join? Follow these steps strictly. 1. Sign up. Use the exclusive link in the description. 2. The golden button. Go to the event page and click Join Now. If you don't see the word enrolled, stop. You get nothing without it. 3. Verification. Complete your KYC. No ID, no iPhone. 4. Timeline. You have until February 4th, but this is first come, first served. Don't leave free money on the table. New users even get a guaranteed $100 BTC bonus just for signing up and trading within 14 days. All the discount links and my strategy guide are in the link tree below. Disclaimer. Please note that the links provided are affiliate links. If you use them, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. This supports the channel. Also, cryptocurrency trading involves high risk. Please do your own research and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. DM me on Telegram if you have questions. Trade smart. Thank you.